that nervous look on your face when you're starting to think that you're talking too much. I like how we just met, and I'm not even slightly afraid to be opening up. I like that we've been sitting here, hands moving around the clock, and I still can't get enough. No, I can't get enough. You look in my eyes and I already hope this lasts. Trying hard not to jump, not to move too fast. But we could go all in. We could be in love by the end of the night. Sitting here talking, kissing your lips and I'm coming alive. Or we could start running.
Hi, good morning, hello guys, welcome back to yet another video. This is a vlog. I'm starting a new vlog right now, and I just had my session, home stuff, gymming and stuff like that, exercising, and now it's load shedding. I couldn't do my smoothie. I'm gonna make some breakfast and I want you to join me in making my breakfast after a workout. So I'll show you when time goes on what do I actually wear for my gym, and yeah. So why are you running away? Okay, change of plans. I am gonna have poached egg, and I don't think you wanna see how I do my poached egg. I will show you one day when I do like egg benedict all together. But at the moment I'm having coffee, first cup of the day. Cheers. I'm having coffee, and I'm just gonna quickly wait for the water to boil because we are back in the stone age, honey. We are boiling water from the stove because load shedding, because Eskom said you don't deserve it. You don't deserve the electricity. So I'm gonna be doing that. And today I might be, what do you want? I might be going to the mountain, but I will tell you, I will show you, actually not telling you. So
I like how we just met, and I'm not even slightly afraid to be opening up. I like that we've been sitting here, hands moving around the clock, and I still can't get enough. No, I can't get enough. But we could go all in. I could be in love by the end of the night. Sitting here
guys, we are at Table Mountain at the moment. Jonga, no parking. You have to park somewhere far, and then you have to take a bit of a walk. Say hello to my vlog.
Yeah.
She's always in my vlogs, so anyway. But anyway, I was saying that we had to park very far, and we're now walking back to Table Mountain, back to the cable car. It's like we are hiking.
Yeah.
But let me show you. Just look. It's full. In fact, I saw it when I was driving from Milnerton, when I was on my way, and I saw Guti, yeah, it's a full, honey, it's full. But anyway, the view is still beautiful as always.
The things I've kept away, I wonder what you'll do. Would you charge me with your hate? You never really knew just how terribly he needed you. You are nowhere.
So we are now waiting for a cable car with my bestie, with my baby. We are waiting for the cable car it's only going up now, and then it's gonna come down, and then we go up. I realized that this is my 10th times going up Table Mountain, and this one is the first time. So exciting for her, but this is my 10th time, so government must do something. I've been paying my money here. But anyway, guys, today Table Mountain is so disorganized. Everything's just a mess and all of those things. I'm so annoyed. But anyway, it's fine. We're just gonna go up and go down, and we packed so far. And why am I dark? Anyway, see you up there. See the mountain.
Have I lost you? Have I lost? Have I lost you? Have I lost? Have I lost you?
I drank for you and me, much too much, but not enough, you see. I thought that it's okay, dying slowly.
Yo guys, we are in Table Mountain, right? And we decided to walk further. Behind me, as you can see, there's a dam. I don't know if you know that Table Mountain is a couple of these lakes kind of thing. I know you cannot see me clear. So, I am so tired. We need to go back. But, Umdino uzlapha. Umdino is here. I think I'm kind of like yellow. So I'm going to change the camera. I'm going to try to change the settings because, honey, what is going on? Why am I yellow? So, how's your first time in Table Mountain?
Great.
Is
Actually,
it?
Yeah,
Is it?
enjoying.
You're enjoying.
I'm not yet tired, but you can walk.
I'm tired. I'm not your age.
But you took a gym.
Only 2000.
Ah.
Only 2000.
But you took a gym.
Gym
in the
I'm getting
morning.
down. Only
No.
2000. Woo.
I wonder if you'd stay, if you knew the things I've kept away.
Okay. Where are you from?
I'm from Congo, my guy.
And where are you from?
Cape
you're from here.
Cape Town. I love in Cape Town.
And how long have you been here?
I've been here since 2012.
Oh.
So I literally
So
Cape Town.
you are
You can hear
actually,
my accent.
you are already
And,
here.
Starting model. Still working on my portfolio up, hopefully soon. And I'll be on the main board and hopefully international model.
Yeah.
So
You've got the look.
yeah,
You've
now
got the look.
cruising nicely and enjoying life.
Enjoy.
Making the most out of it. Actually.
Enjoy. And your name is?
My name is Michael Kalonji. Instagram is michael.kalonji.
Okay.
Kalonji. You see the handsome face.
Thank you so much.
With this beautiful smile.
Thank you so much.
Great stuff, man.
Yo, moya ingcwele bezisiyaphi sana jonga sizonyuka apha sana. Namkusisi wakho enyuka. Yo. Guys, look at this. Like, honestly, doesn't make sense. We are coming from that side. I don't have the mic on, so if you cannot hear me clear, I'm sorry.
Huh?
Lula kusondele endaweni is dangerous.
Clinging tight to our gut.
I can't go
watching it slip away. Battle lines clouding the picture frame. I could try to wipe my mind, but it still wouldn't erase the ache. It lives here in my veins, memories on replay. I'm standing with this white flag in my hand, trying to open up my arms again. Watch you die. I've always living on the run and setting fires. Darling, watch you die. You know no one's winning. Can we give it up? Give it up. Clinging tight to our God just like they could save us. When these walls we build so high, oh why we keep falling for ages. Always trying to reach for something, but all we ever find is nothing. Over and over and over.
Yep, I am done cooking. Unfortunately, I couldn't cook with you guys because I only have one battery of my camera and it died. And this is the food. This is the food. This is potato mixed with butternut. This is pork tenderloin, and this is I don't know what you call this, but it's red pepper, yellow pepper, mixture of herbs. One day I will cook it and then I will show you guys what is included in here. It's a very nice combination.
I wonder if you'd stay, if you knew the things I've kept away. I wonder what you'll do. Would you charge me with your hate? You never really knew just how terribly I needed you. You are nowhere to be found. I was falling fast into the ground. Have I lost? Have I lost you? Have I lost? Have I lost you? I hurt myself that night. There was no one there to end the fight. Remember what I did. He was no one really, just a kid. Have I lost? Have I lost you? Have I lost? Have I lost you? Have I lost? Have I lost you?
Hi, Shani. Hi, Kazi. So if I tell you what happened throughout this period of time when I was doing this vlog, if I speak and I tell you, you're going to hate me, and I don't want that. I don't want that. So I'm in my kitchen right now. I'm about to prepare some supper. It's just going to be just a quick junk food. It's gonna be fish, and I'm gonna be preparing chips and what else? I think a bit of veggies, and also I was thinking of adding like a butternut on the side, but I will see when time goes on if I want to do it or not, because obviously what I'm about to do right now, it's too much daunting. And the fish is going to be a pan fried fish, and yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna be doing it with you guys or something like that, but maybe I should do it with you guys because I owe you a lot. I really do. I really owe you a lot, and I'm not proud of that because I shouldn't owe you anything. I should be giving you all the content that you want, right? So I might be sounding like a bit like a radio or something like that. It's because I took a nap. We had a load shedding from 4 p.m. until 6 p.m. So I had a beautiful sleep, a bit of nap. I was watching something, and then I just had a nap. And I woke up now, so my voice is a bit husky, is a bit deep. It sounds like I'm in a cave, or I am like on Mhlobonene radio station. So let's go and start cooking maybe. You know, why not? Why not? So I just did my potatoes, and the next thing that I'm gonna be onto it right now. I'm gonna wash these. These are carrots. They are called heritage carrots. I got them from Food Lover. So normally I'm not sure about this one. I heard that these carrots, these yellow ones, as you can see, these yellow carrots here, these are the real color. This is a real color of a carrot. This is a normal carrot. And the rest of the carrots that you see here, it's something that is lab done. They did it in the lab, honey. But anyway, this is not about educational content. But I had something like that. I actually need to research about it, because when I heard about it, I was like, okay, cool, whatever, it's just carrots. But now that I'm talking about it, I need to research which carrots were the first in this planet. Are they the yellow planets? The yellow carrots. But anyway, guys, this one, I'm gonna wash them and I'm gonna steam them.
I wonder if you'd stay, if you knew the things I've kept away. I wonder what you'll do. Would you charge me with your hate? You never really knew just how terribly I needed you. You are nowhere to be found.
So I found this lady that I'm watching right now. I'm watching a true crime channel. I found this lady a couple of months ago. Her name is Kim Rulea, if I'm not mistaken. And I am telling you, this lady right here, she is taking you through each and every important detail on a true crime. She is super good at what she does. But anyway, let's continue with cooking.
There was no one there to end the fight. Remember what I did. He was no one really, just a kid. Have I lost? Have I lost you? Have I lost? Have I lost you? Have I lost? Have I lost you? Have I lost? Have I lost you?
I drank for you and me, much too much, but not enough, you see. I thought that it's okay, dying slowly just today.
Have I lost? Have I lost you? 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 Have I lost you? Have I lost you? I wonder if you'd stay if you knew the things I've kept away.
So these are my carrots. I'm gonna steam them. I just washed them and didn't cut them, and I'm gonna steam them. And obviously here I've got the potatoes for my chips, and I'm gonna do chips here. So now I'm gonna quickly prepare the fish. As you can see, this is my fish. This is what you call, this is hake. This is hake fillet. It's hake fillet.
I like that nervous look on your face when you're starting to think that you're talking too much. I like how we just met and I'm not even slightly afraid to be opening up. I like that we've been sitting here, hands moving around the clock, and I still can't get enough. No, I can't get enough. You look in my eyes and I already hope this lasts. Trying hard not to jump, not to move too fast. But we could go all in. We could be in love by the end of the night. Sitting here talking, kissing your lips and I'm coming alive. Or we could start running, make a list of ways that the time just isn't right. Or we could go all in. Yeah, we could.
Ah, Tommy, I'm so tired. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. The rest of this vlog, I'll see you on my next upload, obviously, with the next vlog. And also on top of it, please do subscribe. Make sure that you like this video if you enjoyed it. And also on top of that, please let me know on the comment section, what would you like to see next? What would you like to see me cooking? Maybe what would you like to see in general? What would you like to know about me? I'll see you on my next upload. Peace. Peace out.
Already hope